Nakal Amaromda, MP Sambit Patra Naladiba, North AOC the Laiba Imphal Hotel da, Langthabal Assembly Constituency, MLA Karam Shyam, Nasichatu Nakre Haide, MLA da, Paumi Singh Nahangba Wahangda, State Asida, President's Rule, Tamlakani Haibagi Wafam Adu, Mahakangde, State Asige Oidiba Political Problems, Sing Asi, State Asige, Legislature Singi, Matenga Luinana, Center na Solution Amapurakani Khalli, State Asida, Constitutional Crisis Leite Khalli Haiba Wafam Fongdoki.
I don't know about the PR. I think that the problem will be solved by the center with the help of the legislature. I think so. I think that no constitutional crisis in Manipur, no problem at all. Let's see what happens. Anyway, good cause among the worry savani, and the Prajaki Lagani solution and Lagani problem to him. Over the Nova news crack of Lagani and a color. Come urgent when the central leaders, state leaders in the Hyderabad of higher to be taken by the center or state with consultant with the state leader. What I say about the eliminated suspension or PR or the choosing of leader, I can't say. The time will bring soon best solution in the interest of the public. Let's see. Already I told just the problem will settle within 2 days. Just 2 days or 2 more. Let's see.
Sekitang juga amdang. Saya saya nama. New government. Sudah diusah. Saya baca. Sarwan. Hah? Apa lagi?